Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how Camera Pro Mode works on this Motorola smartphone. Okay, so to open the Pro Mode you have to click on these three lines, then select this option, Pro Mode, from the photo. And at the first we are going to focus on these parameters at the bottom. So let's start from the first one. Right here we can adjust focus range. So when I set it up like that and try to focus these close objects, as you can see, I just cannot catch focus because I can make it manually right here. As you can see right now, this button is in the focus. When I want to move my phone a little bit higher and catch focus on these objects in the front, I have to set it up for this value right here. Because when I'm gonna put it a little bit higher or lower, it's still out of the focus. The first option, A, it's the automatic adjustment. You can click on the X also. When you go for the next option, that's the white balance. That's manual, adjust, and also automatic. Here we can find shutter speed. We can set it even for the 32 seconds. Next option is ISO. Here we can find exposure compensation. And here we can enable shutter delay between 3 or 10 seconds. After this countdown, the photo will be taken. Here we can enable or disable flashlight. In the upper right corner you can find histogram, as you can see, and here you can also change lenses. And that's all for this phone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.